What about the character and fitness statements? Are there any common mistakes you see there, or anything in particular that you're looking for in a character and fitness statement?
So I would say in general, I advise applicants to err on the side of disclosure. It's also completely appropriate and encouraged to contact us if an applicant has questions about whether or not um, an incident is responsive to the sanctions questions. We ask about all of the standard things, legal sanctions. We ask about academic issues. We also ask about employment issues, but there are a lot of things that fall on that scale. So I encourage folks to just give us a call if they have any questions, and generally to err on the side of disclosure. There are very few things that will immediately, if the applicant is to disclose it, that will immediately discount them from consideration. Generally speaking, sanctions, we're going to look at them in the context of the whole application. Specifically, we'll look at things like, is this a repeat occurrence? Everybody makes mistakes. Sometimes it's an isolated one-time thing, but if it's a pattern, sometimes that can be of more concern. We look at how recent the incident was. If you have been out of college for 10 years and you made a mistake and had a housing violation or something your sophomore year of college, that's not of significant concern to us. And then the severity, right? So if you have criminal sanction issues, really significant, serious, felony type convictions are going to be viewed a bit differently than, a speeding ticket, let's say. But it's all in a continuum. I've never had the situation where we've decided to just discount an applicant entirely based on their answer to a sanctions question alone. The reason I do say to disclose, at least in California, where most of our graduates take the bar, they spend a lot of time in the character and fitness process of looking at past disclosures. And so if there's something that you have to disclose for the bar and you didn't disclose it on your application, you can cure it later, but it's better to just disclose it from the outset so that your application for law school admission mimics what's disclosed in your bar application.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.